Here we go, tip off, LBA. Tier 3, baby! AGS won the tip off. They're passing it around. Felsenberg. Eckstein coming around to the left side, looking down the lane, set back, pass out, tipped off from Goldburd. 21:40 to play. You got that? Oh, just missed. Tipped off. Leibowitz had a hand on it. What a big block! Again! Goldburd, fake the pass, go to the center. Mendy Palace with the ball. Fast break, full steam ahead. The layup is good. First points on the scoreboard from Mendy Palace for AGS. 2-0 in the LBA Tier 3 championship game. Let's go. Oh, Fuchs. Woo! For 3! He said, give me that. Scores 5-2. Apex Global looking to make a comeback. No platinum travel on that one. Is that a platinum travel? That's a platinum travel?
Yep.
There we go. Under 13 minutes to play now. Goldberg's up by 2, trying to make a bigger impact. From deep, Fuchs, it's good! Wow, he is on fire. He's got range. Scores 11-6. Goldburd taking the ball down, just a little over 11 minutes to play. Up by 5 in the Tier 3 championship game. This is the first half. It's been a great game so far, a lot of good back and forth. Not a high scoring game, but the points that happen matter. Mendy with the steal, driving it down the court. Contact, layup, it's good. Count that basket. 15-8, 7:40 to play in the LBA Tier 3 championship game. Apex is down by only a couple baskets. Coming to Eckstein, we got Goldburd up by 8, 2:40 to play. Contact and it's good. And
wow, Ira will be proud.
16-10.
As Apex Global cuts into the lead here in the Tier 3 championship game. 16-10.
Announcing, this is like a high competition game. You got it. Mendy Palace, good shot. Scores 11-16.
5.2 seconds to go in the first half.
5 points, 2 minutes to play in the first half. The 3 is good. Goldburd is up 19-11. Apex Global just called the timeout. Second half starting up at the LBA Tier 3 championship game. We got Apex Global versus Goldburd. Goldburd is up 19-12. Berman, number 16. I have to be confused with Moshe Berman. Double pick. Pass off, roll back over the shoulder. Elbow in. Pass off Bernath, top of the key. The shot is good with a hand in the face. Let's go. Shot from deep. Bernath putting in work. 30-19, 9 minutes to play in the LBA Tier 3 championship game. 6:35 to play, second half. Goldburd up by 10, 30-20 in the LBA Tier 3 championship game. Here we go. Shimon's with the Goldbirds right now. Pass under the hoop, spin back, off the glass. The shot is good. FM Home Loans crunch time. It is 34-23. Huge 3 by Apex Global. 34-23. Number 18 taking the ball down the court. Leibowitz with the shot, and it's good. Here we go. Bernath with the drive off the glass, and it's good. Easy money. 39-25. 2:28 to play. Mendy Powell's looking for a man. Contact, shot, off the backboard, and it's good. Timeout called by Goldburd. 27-39, 2 minutes to play. FM Home Loans crunch time, LBA Tier 3 championship game. the backboard, no good. Rebounded by Eckstein, pushing the ball. You got Leibowitz underneath the hoop. Contact, he's up, it's good. Fast charge, fast pace, fast buckets. Apex Global, Elbogen. Pass off to Berman. We got a minute 20 to play in the LBA Tier 3 championship game. 39-29, 10-point difference. Anybody can make it happen. Elbogen from deep. No good. Rebounded offensive Feldberg back to Bernath. Pass. Shot's good. 12-point lead right now. We got Spitzer, number 18, taking the ball down for Apex Global. 1 minute left to play in the Tier 3 championship game. To Elbogen. Coming down the lane. He's stalling. They know they won. This is the game, boys. Congratulations to Goldburd McCone LLP with the sponsors on the sideline. They know exactly what's going on. With the LBA Tier 3 championship game, we got 41-29. Apex Global. We got the sponsors right over here.
Winning sponsors.
The winning sponsors.
Winning sponsors.
That's very important to know.
Here we go.
41-29. Time to put another plaque up in the office. Which one are you going to do it in? Manhattan location? The next plaque?
The jerseys go to Manhattan and the plaques go to Lakewood.
That's right, that's right.
The official plaques stay in Lakewood.
Come on out.
Great game by everybody.
You guys, amazing.
Wonderful playing, wonderful playing.
Great job.
This is what it's all about, guys.
Great job. We couldn't have done it without you guys. Oh yeah, we did a lot. I think this is the third time in the championships. Third time in the championships. First trophy. Let's go! Yeah. Guys, give me a shout out. Third championship, first trophy.
Salt next week Thursday. Let's go.
Let's go. We got
LBA of the world. First trophy goes here to Yosef Farn is coming out of retirement. Now for the state by the entire family, what they do for the LBA. Time 3 Felder! Hashtag rude. The one and only Momo! Lasers!
There you go. You made it. Yeah.
And now it's back to the baseball player, Hillel!
Shortstop Elbogen. Hello, shortstop Elbogen.
Kiss it.
Between Cody Berman! And now for your LBA Basketball Tier 3 2026 Finals MVP! The Goldburd McCone LLP team, the brothers here, they've been sponsoring the LBA since day one.
8 years ago.
They had numerous teams and they're one of our elite best sponsors. And today is a special moment because after multiple teams, many championships, this is the first time tearing up here that we get to hand them their hardware. Let's give a shout out.